Welcome back to eCreativeAid, the best home remedy for soft, flawless, glowing skin. First, we need 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil is an excellent skin moisturizer and renders a natural shine as well. The flavonoids and polyphenols present in it protect the skin from free radicals and prevent damage. It repairs the skin cells and makes it healthy and glowing. We also need 1 tablespoon of green tea leaves. Green tea leaves are rich in flavonoids, which maintain the collagen production in the skin, and it also maintains the elasticity of the skin and makes your skin glow and reverses signs of aging. You also need 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey has antimicrobial and hygroscopic properties that clean and make your skin soft. It is rich in antioxidants that make the skin soft and healthy and also reduces blemishes. So what you need to do is mix all of the ingredients together and leave the mixture for 5 minutes. Take a few drops of the mixture on your fingertips and apply it all over your face, neck, and if you want, your body. Massage in upward circles for 2 to 3 minutes, especially on your cheeks, nose, and forehead. Rinse with cold water after 10 minutes and repeat 4 times a week. And this is it. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.